Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Fashion Nova try-on haul. So I, decided to, make a big purchase and get a few new items to add to my fashion collection. So I'm going to be sharing with you what I got right now in the big bag. I got a very big bag right here with a bunch of cute pieces in it, mostly tops, but that's okay. I love tops. Your girl needs a lot of tops. I like my leggings, I like my jeans, I have a few new pairs of pants to try on that I already have, but I need some more tops. You know what I'm saying? So I got everything in a 2X, just so you guys know. Some things might be too big, some things might be too small. I'm not really sure on their sizing, so let's get into it. This first piece I got was this polka dot, colorful polka dot shirt. It was a blouse. All my things I think were very blousy. I have been dying to take this stuff out of the bag to see what it looked like in person, but I was like, no, gotta film a video for you guys. Let's see. Oh, this is very cute, but I'm gonna need a tank top under. I didn't realize the model must have been wearing something, because that is very low and your girl ain't gonna be showing her, cleavage like that. Your girl will have to buy a white tank top, but this is so cute. The bottom is kind of like ruffled. You guys will see it on me in a second. But I don't know really how I'm gonna show it to you guys without my boobies, but we'll figure it out. So this is the first one. Alright, you guys, just like I thought, it is too wide open, and then the bottom, I thought it was gonna look good. This one is just not for me. A little too much boob area. I feel like the shape would kind of get messed up because it's not that it has wire in it, but it kind of has that effect. I just thought it was going to be different because it was different on the model, but definitely just too exposed for me. So this one I think will be getting sent back. The next item was another blousey top. Like I said, they're all blousey. The last shirt, I feel like it was more sheer, so I would definitely need a tank top underneath it, especially with how low it is. This one feels a little bit thicker, so I definitely won't need anything underneath it. It's very opaque. The other one was a little sheer, like I said. The arms are so cute. It not the arms. The whole neckline is super cute, very frilly, as well as the bottoms, just like the last top. It has that look. So I got this one, and I love that it ties at the waist because, it kind of cinches you in and makes you look like you have a little bit of a smaller waist. So I think this style is just kind of throwing me off. I feel like it doesn't have any softness to it, if you know what I mean. I feel like there's no softness. This is just the shape of it. I'm going to keep this shirt though because I feel like I could style it really nicely, maybe for a date night with some heels. But for more a casual type of, I'm running to the grocery store, I wouldn't wear this because I don't know about this situation. I like it, but I just would have to style it the right way. So I do like it. I think it's really cute, but it's just the way I will style it. This one I thought was just kind of like a statement piece when you have colorful stripes on. I just got my nails done today. You guys will see that in a weekly vlog coming up. This will be up before that vlog. And my nails are killing me. If you guys have ever had fake nails and you know when you get them on the first time, they're hurting me right now opening up these packages. This one's super cute. Once again, has more of that sheer, you guys know what I mean when I say sheer, very silky feeling, but this isn't really see-through. With my lights on, it looks like it'll be a little see-through, but when you have pants on and you have your bra on, I think you'll be perfect. But this I would definitely wear with some black pants. If I was feeling really out there, I could wear some white jeans, but this is hey girl, I came to the party to show up. You know what I mean? Look at me with my colorful stripes on. And I'm glad I got a 2X because looking at this, how, some companies, they might run a little bit smaller. So 2X I think was perfect for me. So I jumped out of the 50s with the hoop skirt, and now I jumped into the 70s with the Partridge Family collared shirt. I do really like this. It does fit. I thought it was going to be a little too small, but it definitely fits me well. I wish that the colors were a little bit more solid and you couldn't see through it, but I could just wear a black tank top underneath and that just solves the problem perfectly. I'm going to keep this one. I do like it, and yeah, I like this shirt. This one looks like it'll be like the first top, a little bit more sheer and thin. It feels like that. But I wanted to get more tops, like I said, because I feel like I just don't have that many. Okay, so this will definitely need, unless I'm looking at it differently, but it's a little sheer. I don't know if you guys can kind of see through it and see me, but this is really pretty too because I could buy like a pink tank top and wear it underneath. I'm not sure. We'll see what it looks like on. You might not need one. Maybe you want to, see a little see-through of some skin. But this one is really cute too, but also very sheer. It didn't look sheer on the model, but it's still super cute. Right here is very loose, so I tucked it in over here so like you could wear it like this. It's also a little short for my liking. I like things just a little bit longer. It is sheer, and the sleeves right here are just a little too tight for me. So unfortunately, as cute as this is, this will also have to go back. This one was really cute as well. Also that silky material, but I really like this with a pair of like black pants, just like a nice button up. I like the collar. I wanted to have more trendy pieces in my wardrobe, so even something like this is not something that I would just wear regularly, but going out I'd throw on a pair of black jeans, some cute little shoes, and this, and it looks like, where'd she just come from? You know what I mean? Instead of just wearing like a t-shirt, I'll pull up in this and, look like, ooh, look at her. And that's Fashion Nova. Hey. Alright, you guys, so this is the white and black top. I decided to wear it open, but it buttons up perfectly, but I just wanted to kind of switch it up. I do really like this, and yeah, super cute button up, but I do like it open. Now I'm very curious because that really colorful stripe one looked small for a 2X. This was a cami, and I'm hoping this one isn't too small. This I think will go perfect with a set that I got because this is very short. It's kind of like a crop, but I was planning on tucking this into the shorts, so I think that this would go really cute. So this was a set right here, and I'm very excited about this one. I'm going to wear this with the cami. That's what I was thinking because it was black and white. I like the lace at the top because it will add a little bit of definition, change up the look. So this is the shorts. I love the little frill at the top. And then it also comes with like a blazer jacket, and it has shoulder pads. Does it? It feels like it has little mini shoulder pads. Not like back how the shoulder pads used to be, but that feels kind of padded. But that will be super cute opened with these black shorts with the white cami. Girl. Alright, so I really like this. At first when I tried it on with this shirt, I thought, I'm not really sure, until I tucked it in, and I liked it 1,000 times better. I felt like the blazer with the shorts kind of went together instead of it all just looking like, all one piece. I kind of broke it up a little bit. The blazer jacket fits really nice, and so does the cami, which is a little see-through. I'm not sure if you guys can see my black bra. The shorts are a little big, but the good thing is it has a drawstring, so it can tighten, but if I lose more weight, then I won't be able to wear these because I can only tighten them so much. I got another shirt like the black and white button-up one, but this one, like, how could I not get it? Pink is like my fave color, and this was like baby pink. Look how cute this is. Love the sleeves because it adds a little bit more. I feel like this is more kind of like Renaissance-y, like romantic. So I love the sleeves, and this just looks so cute. I'm already like picturing wearing this. I also got these shorts, which are super cute. They remind me of the ones that came in the set. Also very frilly. Glad these were in a 2X as well because the waist. But yeah, super cute. Maybe they'll go with that pink top, but I don't know if the pinks match too well, but we'll try it out. Okay. So just so you guys know, I did try these shorts on. They are very high-waisted. I could have sized down. Didn't even want to show you guys because I just looked ridiculous, and we all don't need a good laugh right now, okay? Especially a laugh at my expense. So, not going to show you guys these. Definitely will have to size down. If I get another size down, I might just return them and get something else. But this shirt is gorgeous. It's like the definition of girly girl. Like, I love the frilly sleeves. That just makes it. I love the crystals where the buttons are. It adds a little bling. You guys know I am all about the bling. I just have this paired right now with my Torrid jeans. I did have a pair of Fashion Nova jeans, and then I cut them into shorts and decided to try Torrid jeans, which I am loving right now. The only thing I loved about Fashion Nova was they came up over my belly button, and when I want something high-waisted, I just wanted to wrap my belly button, and Torrids come like this far down. But love the way they feel, but I definitely want to test out more plus-size jeans, but that's not about this video. I'm sharing Fashion Nova. I just feel like it's so me, so girly, such a pretty baby pink. It's super silky, and I would definitely wear like a nude bra with this because, you know, black is very black, so it will stand out. You guys can see I'm glad that I did size up to a 2 just because I am more busty. You guys can see when I move a certain way, but if I keep, you know, kind of adjusting myself, it doesn't open up. But if I'm like this, like, it will open up, but I'm not going to be walking around like that. But this is so cute. Definitely keeping this. Is this jean and cheetah print jacket. Come on, you guys. I couldn't pass this up. But that looks so cute. It has distressing cheetah print on the ends, more distressing cheetah print on the bottom. So let's see how this fits. So this is really nice. I'm definitely going to keep this because I do like a jean jacket. I would probably wear this with black jeans just so the jean and the cheetah print are like the focal point. I like to keep them open. So with something like a really nice maybe black tank top with black pants. So this is just the main focus. And then I also have a pair of cheetah print heels. I'd probably wear that. So it's kind of like ba-bam, cheetah print. We're keeping this one. But I hope to have more Fashion Nova hauls, and maybe I'll haul just dresses next time because I was on their website again because I do have a shopping problem. And I was like, ooh, maybe I'll haul dresses. Maybe I'll haul like jumpsuits next time. Stay tuned because I do want to have more Fashion Nova. This is really cute. I feel like it's very opaque. I like that it cinches at the waist because once again it gives you a little bit more like she's snatched. It has a tie in the front, which is super cute, adds a little bit more detail. But this is so me. I love like dark color shirts. As you can see, I stepped out of my comfort zone a little bit just because I wear black constantly because I love black. But I have animals and hair gets everywhere, so I wanted to add a little bit more colorful pieces. So yeah, this is super cute. This one is definitely a keeper. I really like this. I like that it cinches at the waist. I would definitely have to tie a better bow. I'll have my mom do that because she's good at that. Really like this. I just really love the cinched waist. I love the color. I really love the length. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of my Fashion Nova try-on haul. I love the different like options that Fashion Nova has from different styles. You know, you can have a you're going to prom type of look because I know they have their long type of gowns to I'm going to the club, I'm going to the gym, or I'm going for a run in my biker shorts, or I'm going to the grocery store, or I'm going on a casual date, or I'm going on a fancy date. They have everything. So if you're thinking, oh, I don't really like what you tried on, go on their website because they have so many options. But yeah, I really like the things that I tried on that I'm keeping, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.